In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a line in Notion. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool that can help streamline your workflow, whether you're managing projects, taking notes, or organizing your life. One of the simplest yet most effective features in Notion is the ability to add a divider line. This can help separate sections of text, making your pages clean and visually organized. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your Notion workspace. This is your central hub where all your pages and projects live. Once you're in your workspace, you'll want to navigate to the specific page where you wish to insert a line. This step is crucial because Notion allows you a lot of flexibility in designing your pages, and knowing exactly where you want that divider will help maintain your page's neatness and order. Now, within your page, click into the spot where you want to add the divider. This can be between blocks of text at the beginning or the end of a section, wherever you feel a line would best enhance your page's readability. Once you've clicked, it's time to use one of Notion's simplest but highly effective commands, the slash command. So, type in the / followed by the word divider. As you start typing, Notion will automatically present you with options to choose from. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and select Divider. This is a built-in feature that Notion provides to make sure that formatting your pages is as seamless as possible. Once selected, Notion will instantly place a horizontal line right where your cursor was, effectively separating the content above from what's below. It's a simple action, but it can do wonders in terms of how your content is structured. After you've inserted the line, take a moment to appreciate how it changes the layout of your content. Dividers are not just about visual separation. They can also improve the logical flow of information. Consider using them to indicate a shift in topics, categorize information, or simply provide a visual break for easier reading. That's all it takes, a few keystrokes, and your Notion page is now more organized and pleasing to the eye. Dividers can be an understated yet powerful tool in your Notion arsenal, perfect for making your pages not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Incorporating lines and dividers strategically will surely enhance the clarity of your notes and projects. So, give it a try. Experiment with inserting lines in different places and see how it changes your page layouts. Remember, organization is key when using Notion, and dividers are just one of the many tools you have at your disposal. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the most out of Notion. Happy organizing!